Hello everyone, it's 29th May. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have making progress towards normal ties after border peace, says India-China. Again important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have Minister promises greener future. Trials of hydrogen fuel cell buses set to begin. Moving forward we have after days of punishing heat, temperature plunges 10 to 15 degrees Celsius as rain lashes Delhi NCR. Then we have some NEET candidates had to part with original documents, pay later, CBI probe. Then we have JNK High Court questions 2019 terror cases as FIR predates arms recovery. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have SIR judgment gets the law right and the ground reality wrong. Then we have India's West Asia challenge. Stay agile, stay connected. Again, important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Amit Shah says no legal action if infiltrators leave Bengal on their own. Again, becomes very important. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have Europe heat will abate soon, but El Nino looms. Then we have why it is almost impossible to bring down bodies from Everest. Death zone, again important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Iran and US trade fire plan for 60-day ceasefire extensions awaits Trump nod. Then we have Trump's call to expand Abraham Accords leaves West Asia baffled. Then we have Ukraine-Sweden Inc. defense deal as Kyiv moves to buy fighter jets. Then we have WHO chief Ebola testing being scaled up in Congo. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have anti-dumping duties on chemicals, a key concern. Then we have why Supreme Court online gaming tax verdict could be a final death blow to sector. Again, very important for economy perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.